You hate roundabouts because your brain is running on Windows 9.5. Let's patch that. You're not scared of traffic. You're scared of not having a red light to blame. Stop signs are traffic lights with commitment issues. Every red light is just a forced latency spike. Cars burn fuel sitting still. Heat builds. Tires wear. It's a thermal efficiency nightmare disguised as safety. Roundabouts aren't circles. They're continuous flow pipes. Water doesn't stop at every valve. It follows pressure gradients. Cars follow yield gradients. No stops, no restarts, just momentum conservation. Yield on approach is just pattern recognition with a social contract. You see a gap, you enter. You don't slam brakes because a spreadsheet told you to. Your peripheral vision is already doing the math. Trust it. Centrifugal force isn't a villain. It's the steering wheel's co-pilot. Engineers bank the curve. Asphalt bite matches your speed. You're not fighting physics. You're negotiating with it at 15 miles per hour. One-lane roundabout handles 400 vehicles per hour. A signalized intersection, maybe 300. But here's the bottleneck: pedestrian crossings. They add latency. Roundabouts solve it with mini islands. Yield, step, cross, zero wait times. You think roundabouts are death traps. Statistically, they cut severe crashes by 60%. Head-on collisions, gone. You can't rear-end a circle. You can only politely merge. Fear is just untrained pattern recognition. This isn't chaos, it's controlled turbulence. Like jazz, like a well-optimized code base. Every car syncs to the yield rhythm. No conductor, no traffic cop. Just decentralized decision-making at highway speeds minus the highway. But I don't trust strangers. Cute. Your trust issues are a skill issue. Roundabouts don't care about your anxiety. They care about yield priority. If you hesitate, you break the chain, and the chain breaks. Once you commit, you feel it. The hum, the glide, the sweet spot where friction drops and flow maximizes. You stop driving. You start surfing asphalt. Welcome to the cult. We don't stop. We only yield. So why do cities still install traffic lights in 1988? Because legacy code is stubborn. Comment your worst roundabout nightmare below. I'll engineer your exit strategy. And subscribe before the yield sign changes.